The chances of your child getting sick this school year have increased. According to studies, vaccination rates among children have declined significantly. 16 WAPT's Kamari Hamer live in the studio with more on this tonight for us. Kamari.
That's right, Megan. And Dr. Edney says he knows that there are some people who do not agree with getting vaccines, but he believes they do help. And he tells me that history proves just that.
These are very powerful in keeping children safe from those vaccine-preventable illnesses.
The CDC reports during the 2024 to 2025 school year, vaccination coverage among kindergartners in the U.S. decreased for all reported vaccines from the year before. Routine kindergarten vaccination rates in the U.S. have dropped from about 95% before the pandemic to roughly 92 to 93%. Chestina Dyson, who has 7 children, says she always makes sure her children are vaccinated because she feels like that is the best way for her kids to stay healthy.
If they do have something that's contagious, we all catch it at one time. That's a matter of me missing work and the children missing like at least a week worth of school. And we know with the new laws that's not acceptable now.
The decline comes as the U.S. continues to see elevated measles activity. As of July 30th, more than 2,300 confirmed measles cases have been reported nationwide this year, surpassing the total number of cases reported in 2025. Most of this year's cases have been linked to outbreaks. Although no measles deaths have been reported in the U.S. so far this year, 3 people died from the disease in 2025, including 2 unvaccinated children during a major outbreak in West Texas. Even though there are not any recent reported fatalities among children in Mississippi with these illnesses, State Health Officer Dr. Dan Edney says with other illnesses emerging, it's not a bad idea to consider getting your child vaccinated.
Vaccines are very powerful in keeping children safe from those vaccine-preventable illnesses. And we don't have a vaccine against, hantavirus or cyclosporiasis, but we have great vaccinations against influenza, which can and does kill children. We have great vaccinations against pertussis, which is whooping cough, which can and does kill children.
Health officials say vaccines remain one of the most effective ways to prevent serious illness. They are also encouraging parents to never ignore signs or symptoms of illness in their children and to contact a healthcare provider if they have concerns.